Hello everyone, my dear all students. Again, welcome to my YouTube channel WJMSS. Today we are going to solve this question. What is the question? Prove that 3 plus root 2. Prove that 3 plus root 2 is an irrational. Prove that 3 plus root 2 is an irrational number. So similarly, last class we have to consider first of all what we have to consider. We have to assume or we have to consider this will be a rational number. So let us start like that. Solution: let 3 plus root 2 be rational. 3 plus root 2 be rational number. Rational number. Let 3 plus root 2 be rational number. If this 3 plus root 2 is rational number, then what we can understand from the definition of rational number? We can understand it like that. Therefore we can find two co-prime. Therefore we can find two co-prime integers a comma b. B is not equal to 0 according to the definition of rational number. B is not equal to 0 such that according to the definition, what is this? A by B is a form of a rational number, and we have considered this is a rational number. It means 3 plus root 2 is equal to A by B. We can write it like that because we have considered this is a rational number. So from there we can write this is implies only root 2 equal to A by B minus 3. A by B minus 3. So since A and B are integers, since A and B are integers, comma A by B minus 3 is also a rational number. Because A by B already a rational number, and minus 3 is also a constant, so this can be a rational number. So we can write it like that. A by B minus 3 is also a rational number. And hence and hence root 2 should be a rational number. Why root 2 is a rational number? Because root 2 is equal to a by b minus 3. It means if right side is rational number, left side also will be rational number because both are equal. That's why we have written root 2 should be a rational number. This contradicts the fact What is the meaning of this contradicts? Already we have discussed. Suppose we have considered something, but after finding the solution we get answer is not similar with the previous consideration what we have considered. It means before we have considered this root 2 is a rational number according to our discussion, but root 2 cannot be a rational number. Root 5, root 6, root 3 all under root cannot be a rational number. That's why we have written this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational. That root 2 is irrational number. Therefore our assumption is false. We can write false also, wrong also. Hence 3 plus root 2 is irrational number. So what we have written, this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational because root 2 cannot be a rational number. This is we know very nicely before, because root 6 we have find. Similarly we can find root 2, root 3, all the under root, all are irrational number. That's why this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational number. Therefore our assumption is false or wrong. Hence 3 plus root 2 is irrational number. So we have already proved this 3 plus root 2 is irrational number. Thank you all of you.